Hello. Today we're recreating the lightsaber sound, that laser sword in Star Wars. You have basically three sounds in a lightsaber. You have the turn on and off. You have the clashing sounds when it hits something, when it hits another lightsaber, or it hits a hand. And you have this humming sound, which is, I think, the most magical sound of the lightsaber and the most tricky one, I think. And we're making this sound today, the humming sound. The guy that created the lightsaber sound is a guy called Ben Burtt, and he's a sound designer. He's a film editor, he's a director, but he's most known for his sound work on Star Wars. And he said that he used a hum that he heard from a projector, a film projector, that wasn't projecting, was just turned on. And he combined this hum with a different hum from an interference or something like that. He played that hum through a loudspeaker and he recorded it with a microphone. So to make this humming sound, you will need one hum or some humming, electrical humming sounds, a loudspeaker, and a microphone, so you can record that sound from the speaker. The thing here is to reproduce those micro Doppler effects when something moves around you. So you have to move the microphone around the loudspeaker to reproduce the moving sound of the blade of the lightsaber. That's the basic principle. It's good to synchronize that to some footage if you have. I recorded my kids waving a plastic lightsaber around, and I'm going to synchronize to that to make sense, you know. So I'm using some hums that I've collected here. I'm using a studio monitor I have here, a Yamaha, and I'm using this Neumann KM184, and I chose it because it looks like a small lightsaber. No, it's because I think it will sound good. And I got this windscreen here to avoid any unwanted wind noises, because I'm going to wave it around, okay, like I said, and that's it. Let's listen to some of the humming I'm using. I've selected some hums here that I like. We're combining two of them and play through the speaker and record it. One important note here is that when you are recording, you should not assign the output of the microphone to the same speaker you are playing the hum, because if you do that, you will have feedback, and we don't want it. So you can assign the output of this microphone to a different output in your system and send it to a headphone. You can mute it, just kind of guess what you're doing with the microphone. It's okay, it's doable, it's not perfect. What I will do here today is a simple trick to avoid that. You can assign this output to like the right channel of your system and kill the monitor, and send all the humming sound to the left speaker and record from the left one. And that's it. Let's do it. Okay, so we got this microphone here going to the right channel, and we got all the humming sounds going to the left channel. So my right speaker is switched off, and the continuous humming is coming from this speaker here. We're going to try to synchronize my movement to the footage, okay? Almost. Oh, that was almost good. Let me do it again. Let's do another take. I think it's going to work just fine. almost there. With some minor editing, this take could be very good. Let's try another one with my daughter. Yeah, looks good. Sounds good. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.